Hello and welcome back. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. This is your time to practice English. Not fast, not difficult, just simple, clear English. Today, we are going to do something very special. We are going to train your ears, your mouth, and your confidence at the same time. And here is the truth. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You don't need to be afraid. You just need to listen, repeat, and enjoy the process. So if you are ready, let's begin. Let me ask you a question. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to understand movies and songs. Or maybe you just want to feel proud of yourself. All of these reasons are good. And today, you are taking one more step forward. Even a small step is still progress. English is not only words. English is sound. English is rhythm. English is feeling. So when you listen, don't worry too much about meaning. Just listen to the music of the language. Let the sounds enter your mind. Let your brain get comfortable. This is how learning becomes natural. I will say a sentence. Then you repeat. Ready? I am learning English every day. Now you. I am not afraid to speak. Your turn. I make mistakes and that is okay. Again. Very good. You are already practicing. Now let me tell you a simple story. Listen carefully. This is the story of Sarah. Sarah is a student. She lives in a small city. Every morning she wakes up at 7 o'clock. She feels a little sleepy, but she smiles. She says to herself, "Today is a new chance." Sarah wants to speak English well, but she is shy. She thinks her English is not good. One day, she decides to change. She decides to practice a little every day. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just a little. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. That's all. In the morning, Sarah listens to a short English audio. She listens while she drinks tea. At first, she understands very little, only a few words. But she keeps listening, day after day. Slowly, the sounds become familiar. The words feel less strange. Her ears begin to understand more. When Sarah walks to school, she tries something new. She talks in her mind, in English. She looks at the sky and thinks, "The sky is blue." She sees a car and thinks, "The car is very fast." She feels hungry and thinks, "I want lunch." These are small sentences, but they build a strong habit. Her brain starts to think directly in English, without translation, without stress. At night, Sarah writes 3 sentences in a notebook. Today, I studied math. I talked to my friend. I watched an English video. That's all. 3 simple sentences. But every day, her writing becomes easier. Her vocabulary grows. Her confidence grows. Sometimes Sarah records her voice on her phone. She talks for 1 minute. She talks about her day. At first, she feels nervous. She doesn't like her voice. But she keeps doing it. After 1 month, she listens again, and she is surprised. She sounds clearer. She sounds more confident. She realizes something important. Practice works. Sarah did not change her life. She did not move to another country. She did not study all night. She just practiced a little every day. And that made all the difference. You can do the same. Slow and clear. Repeat after me. Small steps every day. Practice makes me better. I am proud of my progress. Excellent. Maybe today you feel slow. Maybe today you feel tired. Maybe today you think your English is not improving. But listen carefully. Learning a language is like planting a seed. You don't see change every day, but little by little it grows. And one day you look back and realize how far you've come. So be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. And keep going. Here is a very easy plan for you. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Repeat 5 sentences. Think 1 thought in English. Write 2 sentences. That's it. You can do this, even on a busy day, even when you feel lazy. Just do a little. Little actions create big change. Let's finish with 3 sentences. Repeat slowly. I enjoy learning English. My confidence grows every day. I will not give up. Beautiful. Remember, English is not a test. English is a journey. A journey you are already on. Every time you listen, you improve. Every time you speak, you grow. Every time you try, you win. So keep listening. Keep practicing. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'll see you again soon for more simple English practice. Until then, take care and keep going.